CCCX has been trending for a couple of hours now, up 12.55%. This is Friday, the 10th of October, 2025, pre-market session. Intraday high in this session as well is $25.46. Yes, the stock has been gaining a strong amount of traction across trading and investing communities as attention shifts towards its upcoming merger with Infleqtion, a prominent player in the quantum computing space. Infleqtion's established partnerships, including its collaboration with NVIDIA and its active government contracts, are also highlighted as major catalysts that could set CCCX apart from other SPAC players or other SPAC players. Unlike many early stage quantum startups, Infleqtion already generates revenue through commercial and government channels, which community members view as a crucial differentiator. This operational maturity is fueling bullish sentiment, with traders speculating that CCCX could follow a trajectory similar to its peers like Rigetti and maybe IonQ. Most of the discussion around on trading communities centers on the perception that CCCX remains undervalued relative to its peers, creating what some see as a compelling asymmetric opportunity. Yeah, amongst other things. So you can see why the stock is currently trending right now. Its peers are already way more overvalued, way more value than it is currently. So as things stand right now, the underlying trend in a very short time is a bullish one. The stock has just been printing higher prices since just a couple of sessions, a couple of days after it debuted on the a couple of months after it debuted. It's been printing higher prices. As things stand right now, we have a downward projection of $14.82, nothing to the upside, but we may have a look and see if we have any projections that have been calculated on other charts. So the 10 and 21 period moving averages are also robustly trending. The derivatives are all robustly bullish. Nothing here is negative at all. Yeah, positions opened all the way towards, all the way back to, you can even say, I would say all the way back to 800 hours ago are still in profit. Yeah, yeah, you can easily imagine that is easily the case. Okay, so let's just come down to the daily chart and see. It hasn't reflected what's going on right now. Downward projection is 10.29. All the algos here, all the derivatives here all the price pressure momentums are also trending. However, we have a fractional second derivative on the 21-day moving average, but we're really not going to read a lot of meaning into that. Let's have a look at the 1 minute chart. We want to see whether we have even more ambitious projections. We have 25.46. Let's see what we have here. That 25.46 is an intraday high, so 24.82 is the highest here. We have 25.50, 24.82. Let's see what we have here. $25, nothing. Okay, let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. What do we have here? 26.36. We want to see something more ambitious than that. 23.82. Let's come down to the 3 minute chart. Yeah, what do we have here? We have 26.50. I think we've seen that already. Yeah, we have 30.81. We have 28.13, 29.79, 30.81. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's come down. Let's go back to the daily chart. The 4-hour chart. And what we can do here, we can take this intraday high of 25.46 and then subtract 23.78 from it. Yeah, let's see. That way we may be able to maybe validate some of the projections we have already seen. So we take 25.46 minus 23.78. We have 1.68. So this is the difference in prices. So we might multiply with the various Fibonacci extension levels. So 1.68 multiplied by 1.618, we have 2.71. We add that to 24.4. So we have 27.11. 27.11. So 1.68 multiplied by 2.618. We have 4.39. We add that to 24.4. We have 28.80. Okay, so we try again. 1.68 multiplied by 3.618. We have 6.07. Add that to 24.4. We have 30.48. Okay, 1.68 multiplied by 4.618. We have 7.76. Add that to 24.4. We have 32.15. Okay, so it's approaching to the sort of levels that the other competitors are priced at. Okay, so we'll try again. 1.68 multiplied by 5.618. We have 9.44. Add that to 24.48. We have 33.92. Okay. So those are the projections we have. Some of them are some of these values have already validated some of the ones we already saw. We saw up to $30. So we have we include this 25.46. So we have 25.46, 27.11, 28.80, 30.48, 32.15, 33.92. Yeah. So just have a look and see what you make of CCCX. I think it's going to remain on the radar of investors and traders. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.